Hello, witch folk. Welcome to our coven.
We are angels on broomsticks, and we're a mother-daughter duo.
And we love the makeup.
I'm Kristen.
And I'm Evangeline. And today we have in front of us quite a few things from Unearthly Cosmetics. Super cool indie brand. And yeah, I think we're going to mostly be using the Dreamer palette. This is what came out for their holiday 2023. So very like purpley grays, sort of moody, icy vibes. And I think like our theme today is like winter blues makeup.
Yeah, we just passed the most depressing day of the year.
Yep.
And now we're heading uphill because it's getting light out later.
I noticed it yesterday.
Yeah.
It was like 5:30 and like it wasn't pitch black. And
Yeah.
it felt good.
Feels different. There's a different vibe.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready for spring, but and I've been feeling the winter blues, like truly. So we're leaning into it though. I'm thinking of like focusing on grays. We also have the highlighter from the Dreamer collection. And I think I might use from Unearthly the Strawberry Milkshake palette. I think I'm going to use this gray as well as part of my thing. We have a couple lips, but we'll show those at the end, and some multi-chrome liners, but I'm still too intimidated to use.
So cool.
They are very cool.
Yeah.
It's going to be for like a graphic vibe kind of day, which is not today.
Not today.
Not today. Yeah, so I'm ready to get started. I think I'm going to do blush first, and then highlighter, then the eye look. You?
Like bronzer and bronzer, right? You don't have a bronzer.
I do.
Okay.
I did put a little bit of cream, like contour on before when I did my base, but yes. Anyway, winter blues. How do you fight it? We were kind of talking about that in our holiday makeup.
You just lean in and watch a ton of TV.
Lean into the depression.
I made homemade mac and cheese.
Oh.
Like, okay, so I've been having bad luck with the boxed mac and cheese. It tastes terrible. Like the powder cheese is clumpy. Ugh.
What's going on
So
there?
I decided to make it from like scratch. So like you make like a white sauce, like a bechamel. Is that what it is?
Yum.
And
Why do
then
you invite me over for the macaroni?
I don't think you liked my mac and cheese.
Love the macaroni.
Anywho, yeah, and you just make the white sauce, and then you shred cheddar and Gruyere, which is a good melty cheese, and then you bake it a bit with the pasta things. I put some, what do you call it? Panko? That's a word, right? Panko on top.
Help, I want that. I want that so bad.
Well,
Yum.
I made that. I didn't think you'd like it. You don't like
I do.
things I make.
Yes, I do.
No.
Anyway, I just used, what? What?
Clown.
What? That's what my grandma always says. What? Is that the melt blush?
Yeah.
Yeah, you always do that.
But I did it on my hand first.
This is the Danessa Myricks. I did splurge a little. I got one of her yummy skin blushes I'd been eyeing for a long time. I'm really impressed with the formula of these. You have one of these. You have a very vibrant shade. I hope she comes out with more shades because this is really, they say it's blurring, balmy, and I do feel that. Has anyone tried the foundation, the Yummy Skin Balm Foundation? Curious.
I almost had it in my cart. I mean, I had it in my cart.
And you took it out like a good girl.
When we were being, diligent with our no-buy. Which I've been good because, guess what?
What?
My credit card was compromised, so I went on a no-buy by accident.
That's good.
And I still haven't got my new credit card. So,
It's good. It'll stop you for a little bit.
But I want.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to do the highlighter.
Yeah, I'm going to do highlighter.
I think I'll just use the gold one. It's not like a super warm gold. It's a little bit champagne. What about you? What color? Pink?
Yeah.
I liked this highlighter. I've used it a couple times. I was like, sometimes indie brand highlighters are like very like multi-chromy, intense.
I find that too.
And it's like, oh gosh, I just want something like...
Oh gosh, yeah.
I just want something a little bit more subtle, buildable, and I do find that I get this from this. If you can see maybe...
Oh yeah, this is, I love that.
Yeah,
Oh
it's
my
nice.
God. I need one. That's so good.
Kind of just setting my eyes. There's a bit of concealer creasing there. My plan, I'll just show you now so I don't have to describe it as I go. But, woo! I'm going to just lay down this like really light gray. I think it'll be nice, sort of bright base. And then start to go into this corner here. Just like these stormy grays and see what happens. This cool tone today for me. I think you're going into the purplies. What's that?
Did you get a new brush set?
Yes.
Why didn't you tell me?
Yes, Spectrum sent me some. And I have a code now with them.
Well, share
I'll
that
drop it below. I'll drop it below. The code is kind of funny. It's like some 3924. But it's affiliate link, so if you did spend, I think I get a small commission. If you've ever liked Spectrum, I mean, you know that I've loved the KJH collab. They're my favorite brushes ever. But yeah, they sent these. Look how pretty.
You didn't tell me that.
Yeah. Those will look nice on a
When did you
vanity.
When did you get
This
them?
just happened.
Okay.
2 days ago.
Oh, you didn't tell me.
Yeah. So yeah, if you like Spectrum or you've been eyeing it, code down below.
Nice.
Yeah. So that's my vibe. You're going into the purples.
I don't know. Maybe I'll try that.
Yeah.
Do? Or purple,
Something like
purple,
that.
purple?
Purple,
Yeah.
Purple. What's that from? I think
I don't
that's
know.
Gilmore Girls.
I don't think so.
Purple guy.
No, I'm going in. I'm going.
Okay. Off we go. Yeah, I'm going to put this all over the lid. I like that it's like a gray, but it's like very bright. Do you feel like sometimes when I use like kind of gray tones like this, it reminds me of 90s makeup, but I wasn't around.
I don't
Do you
know
remember
what
your 90s?
No, I always hear about that, like, because I was around in the 80s, and I always hear about 80s makeup, and it's not how I remembered it.
How do you remember it?
Not like so vibrant. But I guess it was like in the magazine. I don't know. I didn't wear that much.
Yeah.
That's the thing. I wear way more now than I ever did.
Yeah.
And 90s, I don't know how I would define it. But I guess I would define it by if you go watch Millionaire Matchmaker. Oh, no, that's the...
Early aughts.
Right.
Same with Gilms and stuff.
Oh, yeah. So I've been doing a round of Sex in the City, and that's late 90s.
Yeah.
The makeup's so good.
Yeah. They
Like,
never have
They
weird
never have
makeup.
a bad makeup day.
I like Carrie's makeup. She always looks... She has a lot of blush. She leans into the blush.
Yeah, she does.
So, she's my kind of gal. Okay, so
Ooh, I
just
like this formula.
darkening the... Yeah, I'm impressed. I mean, we usually like an indie brand formula, but sometimes... I don't know. Sometimes they're a little different, but I've been liking it.
They're usually... Indie brands are really always much better for shimmers and multi-chromes.
I think I've mentioned in our last video, like, I do want to experiment a bit more this year with makeup. I'm in a rut of, like, a sort of structure that I do on my eye all the time. Like, even, like, I want to get back into halo eyes, but sometimes when I do them, it almost looks like I've been punched, like, and it's bruised. Does that make any sense?
Yeah, it does.
It does.
Okay, I'm putting the shimmer with a brush, and I'm going to do the finger. Ooh, it's darker than it looks.
Which one? Oh, yeah.
You knew that?
Yeah.
Oh.
But I used that in a look I did, and I just kind of blended it out,
Okay.
and it was fine. But it was, like, more pigmented and dark than I thought. Felt like you had stories you were saving for filming.
Oh, yeah. I do have some stories. Well, no what-ifs, or, like, a what-if. You know how I'm, like, I'm going to, like, lean into, like, maybe dating? But not online.
Yeah.
I'm not going to date online because, ew.
Yeah.
But, like, okay. So, in the wild is how I'm going to do it.
Date in the wild. Okay.
So I have to be, like, you know, looking around. And also looking my best. But is your best, like, with makeup or without?
With?
Like, what if you what if you met a man and you really liked him, but he hated all makeup?
Oh.
But he was, like, the man.
But why would he hate it? Like, is he like, I think it's oppressive to women. Like, what's his
No,
stance
he just
there?
doesn't aesthetically like it. Because he's like, because I feel like if I had a man that I liked, he'd have to be a bit woodsy.
Yeah.
Like, and like, he'd have to be a bit mechanic-y. Like, he'd have to be engineering and not artsy.
Yeah.
Not for me. But he's just
Yeah,
got
I
an
do.
aesthetic where he thinks makeup is
Right.
not good.
I just have to convince him otherwise.
Yeah, me too.
Am I right?
Yeah, it's like Carrie, like, what's his name? Aiden. I can't date a smoker. But then he ends up, you know, now I know you, so I can date you.
Yeah.
Do you know that Sarah Jessica Parker smokes in real life?
Still to this
Yes.
day? Oh, God.
I saw a picture of her recently.
No. I don't
I have to
approve.
go into the silver shade that
Okay,
you...
yeah. Dream State. I think it's the star of the show. Did you use glitter glue?
No, I didn't.
I'm going to use some just in case. I have a long day ahead of me after this still, so.
Oh, yeah. So I did... So I'm keeping my eye out. So I have a type of dog I like. It's like I'm a typist. Like it's a curly tail, pointy eared, Spitz type dog. It could be a Samoyed. It could be a Norwegian Buhund. It could be a Shiba Inu. It could be a Pomeranian. Could you imagine a lumberjacky dude with a Pomeranian? That would be
cute.
like, I'm not even going to just, I'm just going to just take him in my car and say, hey.
Does that such a thing exist?
No. But at the dog park, there was this man, and he had a beautiful dog. And it was like, it looked like my Klaus, but bigger. Like, so fluffy. So it turns out it's a Finnish Lapphund. And we were talking, like, what is your dog? But he was, like, walking quickly. And then I saw him again. And then the dog was so fun and liked my dog, Klaus. And they looked so cute together because they were almost exactly the same color. And just Klaus is smaller and this dog's bigger. And so I asked, well, what's your dog's name? And he goes, Fred. And I go, oh, that's my son's name. That's so cute. And then I said to my friend, oh, the dog's name's, because she knows I like the dog. And I said, oh, the dog's name's Fred. And he goes, no, that's my name. That's embarrassing. Like, that was embarrassing.
Oh, no, I think that's so cute. Especially, and you knew it was a girl, didn't you, the dog?
Yeah, but
I like that it would be named Fred, though, too,
yeah,
as a girl.
it had another name, like Boohoo or something.
Yeah.
It turns out the guy had an accent, like he's German or something.
But you said you don't not into because it's too close to your own genetics.
I don't want to be close to my own genetics.
Yeah, not for you.
No. But the dog was.
This shimmer is really pretty. It like brings out the green in my eyes. I don't know why. But I went for it's a little subtle. It can really build up. But with the silver, I don't know, I like it to have a bit more of a sheen rather than like kapow silver.
You mean this little one or the...
The Dream State. The
Yeah,
one bottom.
I'm like out of my mind.
It has
with
like
this.
rainbow flecks in it. It's one of those things you have to see in person. Nothing is going to do it justice.
And that's what I'm putting right now into the center of my eye. And it's insane.
Close eyes? Oh yeah, it's a nice layering there, the silver and the purple. Wouldn't have thought to do that.
Boo. Anyway, so that was my story.
Freddy and the Buhund.
It's a Lapphund.
Lapphund. Maybe he was Finnish.
Finnish people tend to look eerie.
My fam on
I
the other
know.
side.
They're eerie.
Are we eerie?
Your other side is eerie, yeah.
I started doing a wing. I don't know why. Why did I start doing that? Help.
I can't help you. I'm going to use one of these, the pink one, for my inner corner that I was using days. Oh, I love these. Unearthly. Do you have a code?
No. Indie brand. I don't know if they do
Oh, they
codes.
probably
I'm
don't.
sure they do.
Sometimes they do. I know Nomad does. Okay, I can't wait to do my whatever. Lashes?
Yeah? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I did this wing. I ended up leaning into the dark brown here. Night Owl for the wing. So I'm going to do the same on the other side of the wing. You don't need to watch that. And yeah, let's see how we finish off with lips. We have a lot of options in front of us. Ooh. Ooh. So we'll return for that. Come on, Vogue. I'm so happy with this look. You?
Have we started? Yes.
Yeah, we started.
I love
yeah.
this look. I haven't loved a look in so long.
Yeah, you're loving this palette.
Mm-hmm.
It's impressive. It is. It's just so easy to use, and the colors are really, really fun.
Really beautiful.
Lips. I think I don't want to go too dark personally with like this gray vibe going on. I'm gonna see how it goes first with just a liner from Unearthly. This is the shade Fiery. It's like a peachy orange. Maybe I'll add a lip. We'll see. I'm starting with this. How about you?
I'm going to use this liner, this purple liner.
Carnage.
And I'm going to use a purple lipstick, which is beautiful. Zzz. 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 It's purple. I know purple makes your teeth look yellow, but I'm not going to smile.
Oh, I tried some Crest white strips the other day. I only did one treatment.
I don't think this is a purple.
Oh, no?
Okay.
Oh, it's more burgundy. Whoops. It looked purple on the edge. Never mind.
I'm just going to use a nude color that I have, a melt one. Oh, how'd it go?
I think I'm not sure it did much, but I think you have to do a couple treatments. But it was uncomfortable. It tasted like peroxide in my mouth for a long time after. Nope. Not going to use this lipstick with this, sorry. This is like too purple to blend with the orangey liner. I'm just going to use the liner.
Oh, yeah?
As like a lipstick. A lot of the lipsticks from the Dreamer collection, they seem to have sort of like a purpley, cool winter vibe to them.
They're very creamy.
Yeah. And the liners are like a classic wooden liner, which I don't know why so many brands have stopped. It drives me mental. I just like, look at this. Like, all product. Sharpen. Like, cheapskates, man. Gonna put a little bit of gloss. I'm suffering from dry lips the past couple of days.
This is a really emollient lipstick. Not like other formulas.
This is nice.
Ooh, I love it.
Ooh, here are the finished looks. Ooh, I feel good. I feel nice. I feel wintry. I feel alive.
So do I.
Yeah, let us know, guys, if you've tried out Unearthly. I feel like they're the vibe of a lot of our viewers and subscribers. A little bit witchy, a little bit alien-y. Alien slut, as Teresa's Dead would call it. Yeah, definitely check them out. I'm standing behind this formula. They did have, so they sent the Fairy Frolic palette, which you have the old one from back when they were called Alien Cosmetics. Check it out. Like, there used to be like round pans.
Formula's a bit different.
Yeah, it does feel like.
And this isn't bad.
Different. Yeah. So anyway, they were Alien. In case you didn't know, I actually didn't know that until recently.
I did.
I think that's it for today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Stay witchy, stay butchy. Have a good week.
Bye, witches.